Welcome to our channel, and today we are going to discuss 5 Windows 11 features from this Windows latest update you must try. If you are using Windows 11 and you have not paused updates, you have probably already spotted a Windows update status icon on the left side of your taskbar. So you may easily download and install Windows latest update of this month. Simply right click on start button, choose settings. Here from the left side go to Windows update, and thereafter go to right side, and here you will find check for updates or any pending action required. Fulfill them and install Windows latest update. I have already installed this month Windows latest update, and this one is KV5101650 Windows latest update. So first install Windows latest update, and 5 feature we are going to discuss. An important feature you must try, and the first one is Windows 11's Widget Board finally stops opening itself. Anyone who has brushed a finger to close to the widgets icon on the taskbar has had the annoying experience of watching the whole board slide open the clickback news headlines. Simply hover the cursor on your bottom left corner, and you can see a widget icon. Switch to a new look option available. Simply turn the toggle button on, and a new look of your widget option is available here. So this is a new look, and you will find it under Windows latest update of this month. The second one is Windows Update finally gets a real calendar to pause updates. For years, pausing updates on Windows 11 had as being forced to choose from a drop-down that only showed fixed 1 week increments starting with 1 week to 5 weeks. But what if you wanted to pause for say 6 days or 10 days? So now through this update, right click on start button, choose settings. From the left side, click on Windows Update, and you can see pause updates, pick a date. Previously, you can see here for 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, or 5 weeks. So now you can choose or pick a date to pause updates, and 35 days time you have to pause any Windows latest update. And the third one is point in time restore is the latest biggest update of this month. A Windows recovery option. Point in time restore is a full system recovery tools that been sitting inside testing for months, and this month update finally brings it to every eligible Windows 11 PC. Simply right click on start button, choose settings. From the left side go to system settings, thereafter go to right side, and here scroll down and you will find the option recovery. Click on it, and here you can see scroll down and you can see point in time restore. Turn on and manage restore points to recover your PC to an earlier point in time. View or edit option available here. You can see point in time restore is off. As soon as you turn it on, restore point frequency you can set, restore point retention you can set, restore point disk uses, maximum uses. Various features are available here. You can set here under point in time restore feature. This is the biggest deal of Windows update in this month release. The fourth one is screen tint, a new feature introduced through this Windows latest update. Screen tint gives your eyes a break and magnifier gets easier to control. Simply right click on it and choose settings. Here from the left side go to go to accessibility. Here scroll down and you will find a option screen tint. Add a suitable color overlay to make your screen more comfortable to view. Simply click on it tint color, 7 color available here for your tint. Turn it on and you can see various type of tint color available in this newly released Windows update. You can also custom tint, view colors, a lot of colors available here. Simply choose here a strength. Also you can drag the slider from left to right to keep its stain. So this is an important feature added through Windows latest update in this month. And the fifth one is Bluetooth gets its biggest reliability update each year. Bluetooth on Windows has been a sore spot for a long time, and Microsoft had already promised earlier this year to make Bluetooth audio, camera and USB connections steadier. This month Windows latest updates fixes multiple Bluetooth issue through this update. Simply settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, and you can easily add devices, paired devices, more frequent you will find here through this update. So these are the 5 important features added by Microsoft in Windows 11 PC through this update. So you must install Windows latest update of this month. That's all.